What's going on, y'all? I am back at it at home now. Been a long day at work, long morning. Then I had a meeting after, and then came home, went to the gym, worked out real quick. Now I'm back home, relaxing for the day. But this is a parts update. It is Christmas in October, and you know when the parts come in, y'all, it's a good day. Good feeling when you get new parts. And I just want to do a quick unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing on parts in a while. And it's only two parts, two boxes, but every step that I take as far as getting new parts and putting that towards the Chevelle is a step in the right direction. So let me flip this camera around and show you guys what's up. All right, y'all. So new parts here. Just have the camera facing down the parts so you can just see a closer look of the parts that I got here. So one is actually a part for the car right here, and then the other one is actually a tool that I just basically broke down and bought because I actually need it. I probably could go by without it, but it'll be just a lot easier and nicer, cleaner setup for my seats, my center console shifter, and possibly some other things. Like I'm going to relocate the battery to the trunk and all that stuff that I can use this to mount the battery tray as well too. So I got this from Amazon. I don't even know that brand, Rex Betty. I think it's a China brand because it says made in China. But it was a good buy. It had really good reviews, probably about 4.5 stars out of about 100 plus reviews. So let me go ahead and check this out. So it's a riv nut tool kit. And the reason why I got this one, there was a cheaper one for about 55 bucks, but I got this one because it came with a case and it was about 8 bucks more. And I think the handle was a little bit better as well. To install the riv nuts in, but it comes with everything you need here. So it has the directions to use it. Then it has the actual riv nut install tool or gun or whatever this is called. I actually have never installed a riv nut before, so this will be my first time even using something like this. But you put the so here's the different, I forgot what they call these. Oh man, I'm blanking. I forgot what they call them, but basically you install this inside here per whatever size riv nut that you're going to use. So this is actually the size for my seats. That's what I need. And then you put that on the riv nut on the end of this, and then you drill a hole into wherever you're trying to mount the riv nut in, and then you put that in there. Then I think you tighten it like this, and that secures it into the floor or anchors it wherever you're trying to put it, and then you pop this out and it actually pops out the riv nut. And so it's pretty as simple as that. Then you have these in different sizes to mount it to whichever riv nut that you're going to use. And again, these actually mount inside right here inside of the riv nut tool. So mandrels, that's what they're called, mandrels. So, but yeah, it was 63 bucks, and I think just a few weeks ago I checked and they were almost 100 bucks, the same one. So it went down in price, so that was good. I'm happy about that. So this was 60 something bucks, well spent. Ordered it same day it got here. I love that about Amazon. I'm on Prime, and plus being in Seattle, it's awesome being here so close to the hub and everything. So we get a lot of stuff shipped to us fairly quickly. Then I have my next one I have is my fuel sender right here. So this is the actual fuel sender for the 94 to 96 Impala SS Caprice Roadmaster for the fuel tank. So that's the part number there. F like Frank, G like go, 128, B like Bravo. And pretty straightforward, just your general type of fuel sender. Comes with everything you need. Has this connection here, but it doesn't come with the, this is the male fitting, doesn't come with the female fitting. And looks like I'd have to cut it open, but I don't want to open it right now. But it comes with everything you need except for the, what is it called? The fuel pump. And I actually have an extra fuel pump. I'm going to use a Walbro 255. It was what it was in my Caprice prior to me installing the Walbro 400. and so that's what I'm gonna use for this. So has the wiring harness, all that stuff. I probably don't have an end to fit that, so I could probably just cut that off and then just solder them together or something and use that. But yeah, so you got your power, your ground, and I think the other one, the other wire is I'm not sure if it's the blue one. One of these is your fuel gauge. I think that blue one's the fuel gauge, and I forgot what colors. I want to say the gray wire is the power wire, the black is the ground, and the purple one is the fuel. But what I'm gonna do is just order a different pigtail harness to match this end, the female end that matches this, and it's General GM, so I'll probably just order one for like a 87 Grand National or something like that, and it comes with both, and then I'll be able to hook that up to that. So I know there's a company called Casper's Electronics that sells that kind of stuff, and I'll probably just order that, and that should fit right up. But yeah, y'all, this was $120 something shipped. Probably about the cheapest that I got it, cheapest that I've seen. But yeah, should be good to go. So the fuel pump just sits in there, and this goes on top, and then that's about it. So anyways, if this doesn't work, then I'll put another hose here and attach it to it, but we should be good, y'all. Should be good. So, but yeah, that's pretty much my parts update. Oh, it comes with all the hardware as well. You got the little boot for the bottom, the filter, new O-ring, and then obviously directions. So, but yeah, I'm excited, y'all. I've been waiting to kind of get this tank going and installed. So I'm happy about that all this came in, and I got my tank in the back drying right now. I've been letting it kind of sit for a few days, so that way all the water and stuff that I had inside from cleaning it. Let me turn this on. Ooh, it's hot back here. I got the heat blasting back here. That way it'll, and the heat, I got the heat right on the tank. That way it'll dry all any wetness inside the tank. It'll dry it, but it's pretty hot back here. I had the heat running for a few hours while I left and went back to work out for a while. So, but the tank came out damn good, y'all. But I got all kinds of parts back here. So, again, quick look at my core support under the hood parts. Woo-wee! Yeah. So I got my staple shifter there, actually for a Camaro, but I can change it over to a Chevelle if I want. I actually might sell that. So we'll see. And then I got other parts there. Ooh-wee! I'm coming, y'all. I'm coming. It'll be a nice build. Nice build. More parts there. Yeah, it'll be good. So let me flip this camera around real quick. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention as far as the parts update goes, shout out to Billy Fargan. If you don't know who he is, he has a YouTube page, Billy, B-I-L-L-Y, Fargan, F-A-R-G-O-N, Billy Fargan. He has a Nova that he is doing some great work on that thing, y'all. LSswapped it. Super clean, very meticulous. Some of you guys say I'm meticulous. He is super meticulous. Very clean setup, suspension, everything done. Fuel, like everything's done. New seats on that thing. Ratchet or pistol grip shifter on that thing. I think a TCI shifter. Anyway, shout out to him because he's actually the one that put me on game on the Riv Nut tool. So shout out to Billy Fargan. I appreciate you, brother. And like I said, I'm down to meet up. He's actually not too far from me. I think he's probably like 2.5 hours from me. And we linked up on YouTube. He lives in Oregon, and I live in Washington. And the distance from where we live is probably only about, time-wise, 2.5 hours, maybe more. But yeah. So we're trying to maybe possibly link up once we get the rides together and when the weather turns nicer and all that. Probably still be a while, but we got a lot of projects to do on our car. So shout out to Billy. If you guys don't follow him, follow him. He does great work, and he's just a down-to-earth, cool dude. So appreciate you, brother. Thanks for the referral, and stay tuned for the next clip. And that's it for today, y'all. As far as any parts update, I'm just trying to keep you guys in the loop with this build. I want you to follow along with me as I get this Chevelle rolling. I'm trying to get it done as quick as I can so I can get it to my boy for paint and have it ready and back by, you know, winter time or the end of winter. That way come springtime I can throw this thing together and then hit the road for the summer. So that's my goal, is to have it done by summer so I can enjoy it and get my time back and everything. And so I can just enjoy that and then get my Caprice back up and running again and enjoy on my car. So anyways, y'all, like this video, comment, let me know what you think about the new parts. Subscribe if you haven't already. Keep referring me. Stay tuned for the update on the giveaway. I haven't forgot about it. Actually, I should do that. Should be finishing up all that tonight, maybe tomorrow, and then I'll make an announcement hopefully this weekend. So anyways, y'all, I appreciate everybody out there. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. My channel's growing, and I just want to keep continuing to grow it. And I love the YouTube community. I love the people that I've been meeting so far. Everybody's been phenomenal and great. And man, let's just keep this thing rolling, all right? Deuces, peace out.